Hey guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So this video is a short, quick one. I just wanted to come and do a quick show and tell of a new wig that has come out. But before we get into that, I just wanted to show you guys the process that I do when my hair is pressed out. My hair is natural. I have 4C natural coily hair, but my hair is pressed out and it's starting to revert. So instead of putting more heat on it, I switched to my protective styles like wigs. So when my hair is pressed out and it's starting to revert and I can't necessarily wear it out straight anymore, instead of putting more heat on it, I will just braid it in 2 large braids that start a little further to the back so that the front of my head is still kind of flat. I do have a lot of hair and it's pretty thick, so it is hard to get it laying down flat, but I just do this quick braid down and then put my wig cap on and go ahead and throw on my wig. So I will use a wig cap just to hold the bottom of the braids up and just give me a little bit more flatness. And then I grabbed the wig. So the wig that I have today is the Outre Sarita wig, and I'm super excited because the color is absolutely gorgeous. This is the strawberry blonde color and I absolutely love this wig color. It has the blonde highlights in the front and it has the really pretty like golden in the back. I love the dark roots. It's just a really cute one. Now, as you know, this one is a 2-in-1 style. It's going to give you that cute like a 90s flip with the swoop bang, or you can flip it under. I like it best flipped out. I think it's super cute flipped out. Of course, you can do a flatter install by doing smaller braids, but sometimes you just don't have the time, you guys. So I wanted to show y'all a quick option of just throwing on a wig, and this side swoop makes it really easy. You don't need to have any baby hairs or do anything crazy. This wig is literally just take it out the package, throw it on and go. And I love that about this one. Even the color, like everything is just really cute about this unit. The texture is nice. It's not super yucky, but it's also not super smooth. And the density is very, very natural, but still full. Like, I just love this one, you guys. The one thing I will say is I think it would be hard to wear this unit without doing the swoop bang to the side, because I feel like the front just wasn't giving me any curls and body like the rest of the wig was. So I would definitely say this one is best worn behind the ears, because that front swoop, it just wasn't giving me too much life. It was a little limp for me. But anyway, you guys, I hope you like this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you share this one. It's just a quick, easy style. Kudos to Outre for coming out with another slay. Let me know what wigs you guys want to see me try next. I'm also going to do some braidless crochets and things like that. So if you have any hair that you want me to try, leave it in the comments down below. Hit that share button. Share this video with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.